Hey friends, if you wish to fix unknown USB device set address failed error message on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the physical connection because the issue is with the USB. So check that the USB connection should be well connected. The next solution is to update the USB drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now expand the list for Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click on USB root hub and update the drivers. Right-click on the second USB root hub and update the drivers. The last solution is to disable fast startup. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Click on choose what the power buttons do. And then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. If turn on fast startup is checked, uncheck it. It should be unchecked. It should not be checked. Click on save changes and restart your computer. That will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.